Hello, journaling friends. Do you ever feel like you're running out of ideas for your journal entries? You should give journaling prompts a try. Get ready, because we're about to dive deep into a list of 10 journaling prompts that will banish your writer's block. I'm Sandra D., your guide to unlocking your creative potential with videos on papercrafting, journaling, and much more. Grab your journal and get comfortable. Let's embark on this exciting journey with our first prompt. Prompt number 1. What are 3 things you are grateful for and why? Let's go on a journey to find things we're thankful for. We all have many things in our lives that we can appreciate. It can be simple things like clean, fresh air, or a good meal. It can also be bigger things like the love from our family and friends, or our successes at work. It doesn't matter how big or small these things are, every little thing in life is special. Today, we're going to think about 3 things in your life that you're really thankful for. This isn't about comparing what you have with others. It's about thinking deeply and finding things in your everyday life to be thankful for. Enjoy the comforting feeling that comes with recognizing and appreciating the good things in your life. 2. What are your top 3 strengths and how can you use them to reach your goals? This is when you should really think about yourself. What makes you you? What special skills set you apart from everyone else? Is it your ability to think outside the box, your leadership skills, or your kind heart? Identify your 3 main strengths. Now, imagine using these strong traits to achieve your goals. Think about how these strengths can be the foundation of your success, both at work and in your personal life. Embrace these special qualities that are all your own. Let them push you forward on your amazing journey. Prompt 3. What are 3 areas of your life where you'd like to see improvement, and what steps can you take to work them? Let's find out areas that need to be better. This prompt helps us look deeper into important ways we can improve ourselves. We ask ourselves these important questions. What are the 3 things in our life that need to get better? How can we work hard to reach the goals we've set in these areas? What ways can we follow to make our life better? Is it by learning new skills, improving our relationships, or growing our emotional understanding? Think about these points and make a plan. Remember, improvement is a journey, not a place you arrive at. Prompt and think about a problem or disappointment you encountered recently. What did it teach you and how can you improve it? Really think about the knowledge you gained from this experience. Did you learn about sticking to your goals, resolve, or figuring out your boundaries? These teachings can help during hard times. They inspire us to put in more effort, stretch our limits, and learn from errors. They assist us in getting stronger and bettering ourselves. So, don't forget, every hurdle is an opportunity to learn stronger. Prompt number 5. Describe a moment from your past that taught you an important life lesson. How has that lesson influenced you since then? Reflect on a turning point in your life that gave you a big life lesson. Think about a time when you faced a tough situation. How did you react? What happened next? The decisions you made at that time and the outcomes have definitely molded your behavior now. You've learned a lot from your past experiences and they've shaped your outlook on life. Now, how have these life lessons influenced your decisions today? Consider the knowledge gained from your past experience. Prompt number 6. What are your core values and how do they guide your decision-making and actions? Think about what matters most to you. These important beliefs act like a compass, guiding your actions and shaping how you see the world. They make up who you are, affecting not only your decisions, but also your daily habits. Each choice you make, every step you take, likely reflects these deep-rooted values. You might not realize it, but these values steer your life, pushing you towards your goals. They're your personal map, helping you navigate the complex journey of life. Aligning with your values is key to living a real and purposeful life. Prompt number 7. Write a letter to your future self. talking about your hopes, worries, and thoughts on how you're growing. Start making a time capsule for your future self. Use this chance for deep thinking. Dive into your thoughts, share your dreams, your goals. Think about what you want to achieve in life. Write them down, but also write down your worries. What thoughts keep you from sleeping at night? Is it the unknown future or memories of the past? Write these down too. Reflect on your journey so far, the things you've learned, your successes and your failures. This is a way to understand yourself better and set goals, a strong way to help personal growth. Prompt number 8. Describe a recent accomplishment or success. What strengths or skills did you demonstrate, and how can you build on them in the future? Think about what you've achieved lately. Ask yourself, what natural skills helped you reach your achievements? Was it your resilience, your creativity, or your teamwork? It's important to understand these skills, as they are your building blocks to success. They are what sets you apart, and you can use them to grow. By knowing our strengths, we understand ourselves better and have a roadmap for future growth. So ask yourself, how can you strengthen these skills in the future? Don't make this a one-time thought. Make it a journey of self-reflection. Celebrate your achievements and use them as inspiration for ongoing. Prompt number 9. What habits or behaviors do you need to change to become the best version of yourself? This is a question that needs serious self-thought. We often have habits, choices, and routines in our lives that we know aren't the best for us. These can be unhealthy eating habits, a difficult relationship, an addiction, or negative thinking. We carry these burdens in our lives, and they can stop us from reaching our best selves. To grow and change, we need to know what these burdens are and make the choice to let them go. It's not easy, but it's one of the most freeing experiences you can have. So, what's holding you back? Which habits are getting in your way? By finding out what they are, you're taking the first step towards freedom. You owe it to yourself to live the best life you can. Letting go of what doesn't help you anymore is an important step in self-improvement. Number 10. Think about a time when you pushed your limits. What did you learn about yourself? Think about a time when you took a risk, stepping out from what you know and are comfortable with. What feelings did you have during this important time? How did it change the way you see your abilities and what you could achieve? Looking within and reflecting like this can show you new sides of yourself. Did you find any hidden strength? Or did you see a weakness you hadn't noticed before? When we explore new territory, we always learn more about ourselves. Remember, growth doesn't happen when we stay where we're comfortable. It happens when we venture into the unfamiliar. And there you have it, friends. 10 journaling prompts to nourish your soul and spark personal growth. Remember, your journal is a sacred space for self-discovery and reflection. Embrace each prompt with an open heart and let the magic unfold. And remember, there is no right or wrong way to journal. Until next time, happy journaling. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and I'd love for you to join me on this channel by hitting the subscribe button. If you found this video